Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your GoPro Hero 13 to your phone by using the GoPro Quik app. So first of all, of course, you will need to get the Quik app. You can go to the App Store or Play Store in order to find it. And this is the app that I'm talking about. It is called GoPro Quik Video Editor. You want to install it, and once you install it, you want to open it. You will see, of course, the initial configuration that you can use in order to connect to your phone. It will guide you to do that. But if you have the app opened and you open it before, then you probably want to go to the GoPro section over here and then choose Connect a GoPro. We will start searching for camera. So now let's wait for the app to detect our GoPro. Of course, our GoPro needs to be powered on in order to be able to be detected. If not, then we can select from the list. So let's go to Hero 13 Black, then choose Connect, and let's start searching. If it doesn't detect, then of course you want to go to the GoPro and you want to enable the pairing mode. So go to the settings. Let me show you one more time. Swipe from the top towards the middle or to the bottom, like so, in order to open these panels. Go to the right and then choose pair device. There we go. Now, once again, let's select Hero. Let's choose got it and let's press connect. There we go. We have found your GoPro. Now we can press connect and let's wait for the GoPro to be connected. And there we go. We can set up the name, and I'm gonna leave it as it is. Of course, we are asked to use the auto upload or whether we want to use it, but we don't have to do this. We can choose to set it up later. We don't have to set it up at all. And there we go. Now our GoPro is in use, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.